Today I'll teach you how to use ViewData in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. Now inside the action result method, I'll be making use of ViewData object. And inside the ViewData object, I'm setting the string value. So this particular string value will be displayed in the view. In the end, the view function is written which completes the action result method. Now let's move to the view. So now in the view, I'll be making use of razor syntax and I'll be writing the code to display the ViewData object. So with this, we complete our programming part. And now it's time to run our project and see it in action. So you can see that the message from the controller is now displaying in the view. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.